Hi, bagong ligo ako. Pagpasok ko dito habang nagkukwentong barangay kayo, I was surprised. May nakita ako
You were surprised?
Yeah.
By what?
By this person. Sabi ko, sino ito? At napa-English agad ako.
Ako na na-surprise din ako. Kumakain ako, sumusubo ako ng KBL.
Oh, I love it.
Yung ulam na gulay.
Okay.
Tapos may lumapit sa akin, are you Papa Kiko?
Oh, English, huh?
Are you Papa Kiko? Yeah, that's me. Why? I'm...
You are.
You are who you are, huh?
Yeah.
So you get in. You keep yourself, sabi ko.
Kaya pala pagpasok ko dito, in-English yun agad ako. Nandito po mga kabarangay, ang caller natin na madalas nating marinig na ini-English po sina Papa Bear at Papa Kiko. Gusto niyang may bumati lang ata sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey, everybody. Hi, Jeffrey, ano bang, what microphone is that? Pakitingin ang number. 4. Okay, hi Jeffrey.
Yes, good afternoon, Papa Bear and Papa Kiko.
You're so funny, huh?
Jeffrey, welcome po sa Barangay LS. Nakaka-nosebleed po kayo. Welcome. Ito po ang Talk to Papa. Thank you so much for accepting me here.
I like that,
Now I'm not believe that I see you personally now.
Yeah, you thought we're just macho and we're guapo, but we're not.
Yeah, that's true. Are you disappointed? Are you? No, you are handsome.
Oh,
and Papa Bear is like a bear.
Oh my, of course, because I'm Papa Bear.
So how is you?
Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm okay now because I see you already.
Alright, me too. I'm fine. At last, nakita ka namin.
So bakit ka nandito? Paano ka nakarating? Kala ko nagbabantay ka ng temple. No, this is my day of today.
Right.
I remember that day of today. Yeah, day of once a month only.
Once a month? Oh my gulay.
So how's your temple?
Yeah, my temple still big and dirty.
Dirty. So how's everybody there?
Still fine, sir. Okay, but
you're bossing the Chinese guy.
Yeah,
the Chinese taking care of you.
No, they listen.
They listen, huh?
So what's the name of your boss?
No, my boss is Lama and Rinpoche.
Sir Lama and Rinpoche. Good afternoon.
Rinpoche.
Nice name. Jeffrey, I like your hair. I like your hair and your face.
Alright,
that's all.
Jeffrey, you have many fans.
Yeah.
Here on the radio show. They want to say hi to you.
Oh, to all of the listeners, thank you so much for accepting me and to text to our text line.
Yes. Alright. Do you know our text line?
Yeah.
Please mention them.
Alright, invite them to be part of the show by texting.
Go ahead. Yeah.
To all of the caller of Talk to Papa first, you have to dial 924.
I want to close my eyes before you continue. I want to close my eyes.
Me too. I don't want to look at you because better heard than seen, huh?
Yeah. Okay, proceed.
Go.
To all of the callers of our Talk to Papa, just dial 924-3093 and 927-8862. And you need to be, you use your virtues, you need to self-control because it's so hard to call. Because Talk to Papa is the #1 top-rated radio talk show in Mega Manila. That's why there are so many incoming calls.
Alright. So how about the waiting calls?
Waiting calls?
Do we need to accept waiting calls?
Of course, you need to accept that because you answer already.
Alright,
and all the text line,
of course,
the text line of Talk to Papa, just type radio space greet LSFM space your message, your comment to the caller or the texter, suggestions or requests, and send it one out to 2311 from Globe Touch Mobile and Sun subscribers. And 350 sa Smart and Talking Text. Back to you, Papa Bear.
I have a simple challenge to you, okay? Just say sa letrang B, Gis, like that.
In English ba? In English?
No.
What's the signal?
The texter texted.
Okay.
Asking you to act like you're an announcer in a bingo.
Yeah, you know bingo? Are you playing bingo?
No, never. I have no visual like that.
I love it. So why are you here? What's your what do you call this? What's your plans?
No, no plans.
No plans.
My purpose only here to see personally all of the papas and also the two mamas.
The two mamas.
The two mamas.
Alright, so can you give an advice? People are asking for your advice.
Advice for what?
For
their problems. They are texting like this. I'll give you one, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Papa Bear and Papa Kiko, and to Jeffrey, the guy in the temple. What will I do? My parents and I are in argument every day. My mother and my father don't like me to have...
Don't look at the screen.
Yeah,
listen to Papa Bear.
You look at my eyes like that, okay? And I will not look at you.
You are handsome.
Okay?
Sorry, sir.
Thank you so much for that compliment. And now I will proceed. What will I do, Papa Bear, Papa Kiko, and Jeffrey, the man in the temple? Because I and my parents are in argument every day. They don't like me to have my boyfriend in my life. What will I do? From Jenny Babe of Fairview.
What will I do?
Yeah.
What she do?
What she needs to do.
Yeah.
Much better. I advise to Jenny.
Nice one.
She needs to follow her parents. His or her parents.
Yes.
Because they are so strict. Because in this time, in this millennium, most of the people are pregnant.
Most of the people are pregnant. Yeah, I believe.
Yeah.
Right, true.
Gets contours niya. Sige, go ahead.
That's why I understand the parents why she argument.
They argue every day.
So what is the best thing to do?
The best thing to do, Jenny, is no boyfriends allowed. Because she need to finish study first before she has.
Be careful of that term. Make it finish, not finish.
Okay. Do it again.
Go ahead.
Be careful of your what?
Yeah.
Finish
your studies.
Yun, finish your studies first.
Okay, I'm joking. Go ahead.
Jenny, if you're listening right now, you need to finish your study. Because that is one of the pamana of our parents.
What's pamana? We don't understand pamana here.
What's pamana? Pamana
is that what you put on your hair? Pamada?
Yeah, it's like a gel of matanda.
Pamana. Like
Heredity.
I love it. Heredity.
So that's one of the heredity
of our parents.
So better study first.
Study first. Unlike me, I'm not finished studying because lack of financial.
You know what? That's okay. That's okay not to finish degree.
Yes.
Better. It is better to not finish degree than not to be educated.
Why?
Seriously, that's a different thing.
Yeah.
You can be educated kahit di ka nakatapos.
Of course. Kita mo si Jeffrey. Alam mo, nakikita ko kay Jeffrey, porsigido sa life, kahit sa paano, may trabaho siya, hindi sa palamunin ng gobyerno. So, yun ang gusto ko
the
sa'yo,
Chinese
Jeffrey.
community love you,
All of the Chinese, sheshe.
What's sheshe?
What sheshe is?
Sheshe means thank you.
Can I say hi to Sheshe of Sex Bomb?
Go ahead.
She texted me last night, She changed her number na pala. Hi to Sheshe of Sex Bomb. Hi to you,
Okay, Papa Bear and Papa Kiko, tama na. Nosebleed na talaga ang programa ng Talk to
A lot of
Papa.
questions for Jeffrey.
Okay, let's entertain first questions for Jeffrey.
Alright, Jeffrey, how does it feel to be there live with Papa Kiko and Papa Bear?
Yes.
My feeling here.
Yeah, you're feeling. You
like banana peeling.
Yeah. Like my favorite chanelas, banana peeling. Okay, go ahead, Jeffrey.
First,
wait, wala tayo sa ere. And we're back, everybody. Jeffrey, what can you say? What's the feeling? Nandito ka ngayon, kasama mo kami, sabi ng texter.
I'm so lucky and so happy to see you personally.
Yeah.
Because I eating already, but in my mind, I'm hungry.
He's still starving, huh? Okay, so next question for you, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, who's cuter, Papa Kiko or Papa Bear?